ever dream about perfect crispy fried chicken? And do you ever feel like you can't get enough of that savory, tangy Filipino adobo sauce? What if we could bring these two together? Hang tight, because I'm about to show you how to create the ultimate Filipino fried chicken adobo. If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today we're diving deep into a fun fusion of crispy Cracklin Chicken, hat tip to nom nom paleo for this recipe, paired with a deep, tangy Filipino adobo sauce. And to make things even more delectable, we're serving it up with a refreshing yet slightly fiery cucumber salad. In every bite, there's a mix of technique, culture, and pure flavor love. Curious about the magic behind it? Get your aprons on and let's get cooking. Alright, first up, that deeply flavorful adobo sauce. Garlic is our MVP today. And when I say MVP, I'm talking 24 cloves. Yep, you heard me. Remember, smashing isn't just for fun, though it totally is. It's our ticket to bold, irresistible flavor. Into our trusty saucepan they go. Let's introduce 1 cup, or 240 milliliters of coconut aminos, which adds that deep, savory layer we all crave. Now for the zing. Add in 2/3 cup, or about 160 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. And to spice things up, add 2 teaspoons or 6 grams of black peppercorns and 4 aromatic bay leaves. Alright, medium heat folks. It's showtime for these ingredients. Just watch them, getting all cozy and mingling. That's the aroma of magic happening. We'll let this simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, and in the meantime, we can start working on our cucumber salad. You see, while our adobo sauce brings depth and richness, we need something to lighten the palate and offer balance. That's where this cucumber salad steps in. Meet the Persian or mini cucumber. Compact, but packed with crispiness. The secret to that perfect bite? Thin slices. Between 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch should do the trick. If you don't have a mandolin, a steady hand and a sharp knife will work just as well. Now for the dressing, the flavor enhancer. Start with half a cup or 120 milliliters of apple cider vinegar for a tangy undertone. Following up with 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of coconut aminos to add depth and umami. A touch of heat with red pepper flakes. And then 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of sesame oil to round out the flavors with a bit of nuttiness. Mix it all together and let those flavors meld. While our adobo sauce and salad develop their flavors, we've got one more main act. The Cracklin Chicken. Stay with me. Time for the main event. There's something deeply satisfying about the contrast of crispy chicken with a rich adobo sauce. First, technique matters. Deboning chicken thighs may seem daunting, but it's just a few snips away. Good kitchen shears make all the difference. Just cut along the bone, detach it, and trim any excess. To ensure even cooking, we flatten the chicken. If you don't have a meat pounder on hand, get creative. A saucepan can be quite versatile. We'll salt the skin side first. It's this attention to detail that gives you that flawless, crispy finish. Your cast iron skillet? Set it to medium-high. It's all about that perfect heat. Add in 1.5 teaspoons, or roughly 7 grams of ghee. Wait for that inviting shimmer before you move to the next step. When you hear that satisfying sizzle, you know you're on the right track. While the skin gets its golden hue, season the meat side. Today I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of our chosen blend. Patience is key. Give the skin the time it needs to truly crisp up. After about 7 to 10 minutes, it's time to turn them over. About 3 more minutes on the other side, and we're almost there. Resting is essential, not just for us, but for our chicken too. With all the components ready, we're now ready to plate. Alright folks, grab a shallow bowl or plate. We're about to take these separate components and turn them into a meal to remember. I've got brown jasmine rice here, full of nutty goodness and an excellent base for our dish. Then comes our adobo sauce. Big spoonfuls of this liquid gold will ensure every bite has that deep, robust flavor. A dash of color and a crunch of freshness, our cucumber salad fits right in. Now for the crispy chicken. Sliced into half-inch chunks, it's the crispy protein we've all been craving for. And a little sprinkle of scallions for a final vibrant touch. And there we have it, More than just a meal, it's a fusion of crispy comfort and Filipino tradition. Time to dig in. All right, y'all, I cannot wait to try and eat this. Crispy chicken and adobo sauce is a freaking dream to me. And I'm just gonna dig in. And first off, I just wanna do a crispiness check so you can hear how crispy this chicken is. So the way I like to eat this is with a little bit of everything. First, just the chicken and the rice and the adobo sauce to give it a taste. So I'm gonna cut right into the chicken. Ooh, and you can hear how crispy that chicken is. And it's nice that there's bits of smashed garlic and the soft peppercorns. And add some rice and a little bit of green onion. So bon appetit. Whoa. The skin is crispy. Wow, that is a flavor bomb. The skin is crispy, the chicken is juicy, and the adobo sauce is super strong and powerful, giving a lot of savory, umami, sweet and sour notes. And I got a pop of the black peppercorn, so I got a little bit of heat and fruitiness. To cleanse my palate, I like to eat a little bit of the cucumber salad. It's super nice and refreshing to kind of take a break from the savoriness of this dish. Now I feel ready to eat another big bite of the crispy chicken and adobo sauce. This bite is so big. You can imagine chicken adobo is already delicious in itself, but crispy chicken with adobo sauce takes it to a whole new level. I'm excited for you all to try this. This will change your adobo game forever. If you like this video, you're gonna love this video here, where I show you how to make another Filipino fusion of flavors, chicken sisig tacos. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps my channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.